What's up everyone? Today we're going to be going over one of our most popular SD cards, Rugged. Something that all cards in this line share is durability. They were designed to survive the most demanding of conditions. Each Rugged is shockproof up to 3 times more than the standard SD card. They also feature an IP68 protection rating, meaning they are completely waterproof and can be fully submerged for up to 72 hours. If you find yourself in some extreme heat or freezing cold, you'll be just fine. They are rated for operating temperatures of -13 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. With sizes ranging from 32 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes, there is sure to be a card that fits your creative needs. The cards are broken down into 3 classifications: V90, V60, and V30. At the top of the Rugged line, we have the Rugged Cine series of cards. These V90 cards were designed for professional use, offering ultra-fast read and write speeds. 300 megabytes per second read speeds and 260 megabytes per second write speeds means you can shoot high-resolution video or high frame rate stills. Next in line, we have the V60 class Rugged cards. These are great cross-section of performance and value, offering read speeds of 290 megabytes per second and 190 megabytes per second write speeds. These cards are still very capable and can be used for both video and photo capture. The V30 Rugged cards are great for blossoming photographers or videographers, or you may have a camera that isn't overly demanding. Offering 100 megabytes per second read speed and 90 megabytes per second write speed, these can still handle a wide array of applications. They are also going to be the most affordable option of the bunch without sacrificing any of the durability. The Rugged series was named for, well, its ruggedness. So go out there and capture your moments with confidence.